how to send disappearing photos on Instagram, also known as one-time photos. Let's get started. First, let's quickly explain what disappearing photos are. These are images you can send in direct messages that can only be viewed once by the recipient before they disappear. It's a fun way to share moments without leaving a permanent trace. Now, first things first, start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the messenger icon. This is where you can chat with your friends and send disappearing photos. Choose the friend you want to send a disappearing photo to. Simply click on camera and click the photo. Here you can find various options that are view once, allow, replay, and keep in chat. Tap on view once to send the disappearing photo and simply click on send. Also, you can simply swipe to right to access the camera and simply scroll from down to open the disappearing section. Remember, while these photos disappear, it's essential to trust the person you're sending them to. Always be cautious about sharing sensitive content. And that's it, you've learned how to send disappearing photos on Instagram.